What's going on mga boys? What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you the Edo clip. This was made by Edo Unboxing Official. He made this just for me. So again, thank you very much Edo Unboxing Official. This is a DIY magic clip. So this is a golden version, okay? So you have a golden cutter blade and a golden hybrid blade or fusion blade here. So but look at this. Boom. So if you want to make your own or you want to make a custom clipper, just watch or first subscribe to Edo Unboxing Official and watch his blogs how to make a DIY clipper. Maybe you are worried about the charger. So actually you can buy a charger from W Mark, which I featured on my previous video. This is a W Mark charging stand for wall clippers and also for W Marks clippers, you know. So you don't have to worry about the charger because you can actually charge your DIY custom clipper using this charging stand. But if you have wall clippers, then you can use the wall clippers charger for this custom made clipper. Again, if you want to make your own clipper, just visit and watch the video of Edo Unboxing Official. So look at this again. So again, thank you for watching. Some Peace to Happy Barber signing out. God bless.